Hello everyone, this is Punk from the Art of Technology. Today I am going to show you how to convert any date available in number format to any date format so that you can just change the date format to as per your need. But what happened, like many times, like you have date in this number format, and when you use this format cells and if you try to convert into the different any date format, okay, so what will happen, you will get this hash, multiple hashes, and that's why actually there is no direct formula where you can convert number into a date directly. To resolve this issue, we are going to use like a date function. This one formula is a date, and there are like actually left, mid and right. These are the combination of, then we will use this combination of these four formulas and we will create a final formula for our use case. At this moment, for demonstration, actually I use this source data which is having a year first, then month and then day. Okay, in your day-to-day scenario, it's not the always case, right? So you can have day first, or in different formats you can have that number. So accordingly, I'm just going to explain you how this formula to be written, and then you can, based on your example, you can just modify it actually. And if it doesn't work, in the comment section you can just share the examples where it doesn't work, so then I can help you to how to solve it. Okay, so let's go and start with, actually for the demonstration, this is my example and I want to convert it into like a date format. So, and this is the format actually, and I'm going to convert into the month and then day and the year. Okay, so let me remove this. Okay, so I removed everything. Again, I'm going to remove this. Okay, we are going to use a combination of date function where date will have, and this is a date function. Actually, it works like it needs year, month and day, and the sequence should be in this format only: year, month and day. So whenever you will use a date formula, you have to use this year, month and day only. So that sequence you should not change. And to get this year value, we are going to use this left, right and mid formula to get this all three values. Okay, so I'm going to show you first how to use this left formula. So I'm going to write a formula. So I know this year in this my number, my first four digits are on left hand side. First four characters are my year. Okay, so what I'm going to use, I know this is left, this is on the left side. So left of this number. Okay, and how many characters I have to mention, like 4. So what I will get, let's see, I should get 2020. So I got my 2020, right? So, and this is the formula I use. Okay, and let's say for month, here in my month is middle of this so now I have to use this mid formula to get the month because it's in middle of this number. Okay, again I have to select what is my text, and then I have to mention like for middle I have to give the starting point. So my starting point is starting from this 5th character, right? So 04, so that comes after 5. That's why I have to write a 5. But in your case, if your month is at different position, then you can give, and if it is in middle, then only you have to use this formula for month. It's not always constant. Okay, it's just to get the middle value. So for I'm giving like middle value from the 5th, and then you have to mention like how many fields you have to select. Like, so I know month has only 2 values, 0 and 4, so 2 digit only. 5 will tell the system, okay, from 5th take 2 values. Okay, so 5th and 6th it will take automatically. So I'm going to mention 2 values. If sometimes in your example, if you have year in between, so then you have to say like 4 in that case. Okay, if you have any confusion, you can just write down in the comment, I can explain. Okay, then I'm just going to close it. So I got 4, right, month, and the formula you can see at the bottom. Okay, similar for day, I know like my day is on the right hand side, and that is the last 2 digits, right? So I'm going to use the right, same number, and it's a simple one because right I got 15. Okay, now I want the date here, right? So whatever I use this formula, I have to just combine into this. Like, so now I'm going to use this date. What I need first, what is my year? So what is the formula for year? So there are 2 other options. Like if you are like not comfortable, you can derive year, month and day separately, and then you can just mention like for a date, like say this one, E2 has a year, here it has a month, and here it has a day, and if you click you will get the date. But this is okay, but if you have lots of data and all, like, and where you need a final formula, so the best thing is like what you can do, like just you can write a date formula and give this formula inside, so then that will give this value. All right, so for year actually I'm going to use left, again bracket, then A2 4. Okay, I got the year, then comma, then for month I'm going to use mid A2 5 and 2, right? So I will get my month. Again for day I'm going to use right, and then A2 and 2. Okay, and again I have to close that whole loop. So I got my date finally. For in this situation, this formula will always work, right? That's it for today. If this video helps you to learn something new, please give this video a like, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. We'll see you next time with a new video series on XLOOKUP. Thank you. Bye bye.